Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Audi A6 supercharger louder. Full guide. Start with safety. Never bypass filters or prone-to-failure parts. Check local noise and emissions rules before modifying. Use tested parts and consult a mechanic when unsure. I'll guide you through intake, pulley, and exhaust changes that balance sound and reliability. Follow each step carefully and document changes for easy reversal if needed. In this video, I will explain how to make Audi A6 supercharger louder. Full guide. Begin with intake options that increase airflow and supercharger whine without harming the engine. Choose a high-flow filter and a well-placed intake tube to avoid heat soak. Small intake resonator deletes can amplify sound while keeping drivability. I'll mention fittings and clamps to secure everything and how to test for leaks after installation. In this video, I will review how to make Audi A6 supercharger louder. Full guide. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a great companion when planning modification budgets. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like for more content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Audi A6 supercharger louder. Full guide. Swapping to a smaller supercharger pulley raises RPM and the characteristic whine, but it increases belt load. Upgrade the belt, tensioner, and consider a slip-free serpentine setup. A professional tune adjusts fueling and timing for reliability. I'll explain ratios, expected sound changes, and signs of overstress so you can spot problems early and avoid costly damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.